YouTube, check it out. Your boy got in this new Suprent shaver. I ain't even gonna try to pronounce that. I can't even pronounce that. But we're gonna open this up. We're gonna take a look at this shaver and I'm gonna put it to use today. Let's get it.
Because y'all don't play them. CP ain't been playing. I mean, other than we don't even go to the park anymore at all. We don't even go to or
Yeah. All right, let's go ahead and open up this box. Okay, check this out. I don't know if y'all can see that, but we got your boy logo on that thing. Let's check this out. Let's check this out. Let's go.
supposedly,
I know y'all see that Tank Be Choppin logo on there. Man, that's dope. Hey, Suprent, I appreciate y'all for this.
Yeah.
This thing looking pretty fire. Let's go ahead and open up, take off the lid. We got a black foil head, silver body, double foil as y'all can see. We got the Tank Be Choppin logo on there. Once again, shout out to Suprent, man. I really appreciate that. Turn that thing on. Shows you the power at the bottom. We're 100% charged up. Let's go ahead and see what else comes in this box. So we got a little box that says accessories. Let's open that up. So they send me an extra foil head, so that's pretty dope. Put that to the side. And then we do get, and then it also comes with a charging stand.
Right, like I can't just be, like I can't.
So we can sit
go to Deer Park.
the new Tank Be Choppin shaver in that thing. Let's go.
Nah, I could go to the.
And then we do get a little like carrying pouch. They got some accessories in here. So we get a little Suprent card.
Huh? Register already? Yeah.
The little user manual that you know your boy ain't even gonna look at, so we're gonna chunk that to the side. And then we also get a little cleaning brush and the USB. And that's basically all that comes in the box. Check it out once again, the new Suprent Pro shaver. Tank Be Choppin edition, let's get it. But we're gonna put this thing to work. I'm gonna let y'all know what I think about it. Let's go. All right, so we're gonna put the new Suprent Pro shaver. I wanna try to pronounce that, but I don't even know how, so I'm not even gonna try. But nonetheless, we got the Tank Be Choppin logo embroidered on there. Let's put this thing to use, that way I can let y'all know what I think about the way this thing works. All right, so off the jump, it seems to be bottoming out pretty good, but y'all know new foil shavers always work good when they're brand new. It's not as heavy as like the Babyliss shaver. It's a little lighter. It doesn't feel as sturdy, but it's getting the job done so far. We're gonna use it all day though. We're gonna see if it dulls down any or if we can use it for a long period of time. But y'all can hear it's got that crunch to it that all shavers got. Doesn't feel too rough. How's it feel on you? Does it feel rough or no?
No.
No, it feels good? Yeah, so in my hand, it doesn't feel like it's too aggressive while it's shaving. But yeah, straight out the box, first head with it, working good, working pretty quick too. Can't complain. Yeah, it works pretty good. Bought them out pretty quick.
12-count indictment has been returned by a Cuyahoga County grand jury against labor leader Daniel Patrick.
Nah. We're good. Thank you.
No testifying.
Flat tacos.
We dropped the extortion and labor racketeering charges. It's 10 years. You plead guilty to 2 counts of falsifying financial records and agrees to a lifetime ban from the union.
All right, man. So now I'm gonna go ahead and try this on myself. Y'all see me try it on some clients. I'm gonna go ahead and shave the dome, see how this thing feels.
No, Paige, come on, what are you thinking? A married man, I have children. You think that might be down?
And it actually feels a lot smoother than I thought. It sounds pretty aggressive, but it's not. And I've been using it for about 2 days now, and we still got some battery. As y'all can see, I don't know if y'all can see that, but it said it's on 54. It's on 54%. I've been using it all day for the past 2 days. Using it on myself now, as y'all can see. And it's getting the hair down. No issue with it, man. Shout out to Suprent for this one. We got a nice shaver in here. I'll probably take this one home and just keep using it on myself. I don't know, but it works good. And as y'all can see, it's getting the hair down pretty, pretty bald. Oh, I was watching that. Nah. Yeah, so as y'all can see, this thing's working good, man. We getting shaved up, nice clean shave. Not aggressive at all. Battery life on is pretty good so far. 2 days and we're still at a little bit higher than 50%. Yeah, you can't be mad at that, man. I don't know what the price is on this, but I will make sure to put the price on the screen somewhere. I'm gonna figure that out for y'all before I post this video. But yeah, man, all in all, legit shaver. Yeah. All right, so as y'all can see, I done shaved my head, shaved my face with the razor. We got that Suprent Pro. We got the Choppin logo on there. Once again, I don't know what the price is, but I'll make sure to put that on the screen in the description, all that good stuff. And my final thoughts on this razor is good. You know what I'm saying? I like it, works good. Not as aggressive as I thought it was gonna be, but that's a good thing. You know what I'm saying? It doesn't hurt when you're balding with it or anything. So all in all, it's a good machine. You know what I'm saying? I'm really liking it. Shout out to Suprent Pro for this one. That's basically it for this video, guys. If y'all like this video, please make sure to smash that like button. Also, if you're new to my channel, make sure to subscribe one time for your boy. And that's basically it, YouTube. I appreciate y'all for watching. Until next time, let's go.